Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Students, today I am going to explain the topic that is quadrilateral, which is chapter number 8. So students, let's understand the quadrilateral. First of all, what are quadrilateral? Any closed figure having four sides is called quadrilateral. Like this. This is a quadrilateral. A, B, C and D. A quadrilateral have four sides that are A, B, C, D and D. A quadrilateral have four vertices, that is A, B, C and D, having four angles A, B, C and D, and having two diagonals, that is BD and AC. Clear? And what is the property of quadrilateral? The sum of all the angles is equal to 360 degree, means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. So students, there are many types of quadrilateral. Today we will discuss few of them. So first is trapezium. What is trapezium? Any quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite side is parallel is called trapezium. Means if we have a quadrilateral AB, BC, then if AB is parallel to CD, AB is parallel to CD and AC is not parallel to BD, then this type of quadrilateral is called trapezium. Clear? Now second is parallelogram. What is parallelogram? In parallelogram, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. That types of quadrilateral are called parallelogram. Third one is kite. What is kite? Any quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are equal, that are called kite. Means if we have a quadrilateral A, B, C, D and AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to BC, then this type of quadrilateral is called kite. Now come to the parallelogram. We will discuss parallelogram in detail. So students, in parallelogram, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So there are few parallelograms. First is square. This is square. In square, suppose this is A, B, C and D. In square, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means AB is parallel to BC and AD is parallel to BC. And all the four sides are equal. Clear? And third property is the measure of all angles is equal to 90 degree. That type of quadrilateral is called square. Clear? And it is also a parallelogram because both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Now second is rhombus. What is rhombus? This is rhombus. In rhombus, suppose it is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. In rhombus, all the four sides are equal. Both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD and AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. But what is the difference between square and rhombus? The only difference is that in square, the measure of all angles is equal to 90 degree, but in rhombus, the measure of all angles may not be equal to 90 degree. So, that type of quadrilateral is called rhombus. Now, third is rectangle. Students, rectangle is also a parallelogram because in rectangle, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. But in rectangle, all the four sides opposite sides are equal, means AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD, and the measure of all angles is again equal to 90 degree. Clear students? That is the rectangle. And students, rhombus. What is rhombus? Rhombus is also called a slanting square. Clear? Students, now we will study some properties of parallelogram. There are 4 properties of parallelogram. First is a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Means suppose this is a parallelogram. Then the diagonals of parallelogram means this triangle divide it into congruent triangles. Means this triangle A, B, C, D. Means triangle A, B, D is congruent to triangle D, C, B. Means triangle A, D, B is congruent to triangle B, C, D. Means diagonal of parallelogram divides it into 2 congruent triangles. Second property is opposite sides are equal. Means in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Means this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. And third property is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are also equal. Means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. And fourth property is diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals of parallelogram this bisect each other. Means this is equal to this and this is equal to this. There are 4 properties of parallelogram. Now students, we will do midpoint theorem. What is midpoint theorem? The line segment joining the midpoints of 2 sides of triangle is parallel to the third side. Means if we have a triangle like this ABC and E is the midpoint of side AB and F is the midpoint of AC, then the line joining 2 midpoints means EF is parallel to BC. So we have to prove, here we will prove the midpoint theorem. So what is given? Here we have given E is midpoint of AB and F is midpoint of AC. And we have drawn line CD like this. AB is parallel to CD. Means AB is parallel to CD. Clear? And we have to prove that EF is parallel to BC. So let's students prove this theorem. So first of all we will take these 2 triangles AEF and FDC. In triangle AEF and triangle FDC, we have angle AFE is equal to angle DFC. Means AFE, this angle is equal to angle CFD. Why? Because these 2 are the vertically opposite angles. And again, angle FAE is equal to angle FCD. Means FAE is equal to angle FCD. Because means this angle is equal to this angle. Because we know AB is parallel to CD and these 2 are the alternate interior angles. AC is transverse transversal and these two are the alternate interior angles. So this angle is equal to this angle and alternate interior angles. And we have AF is equal to FC. Means AF is equal to FC because F is the midpoint of AC, which is given. F is the midpoint of AC. So triangle AEF is equal to triangle FCD is congruent to triangle FCD by ASA criterion. Angle, side, angle. Clear? Two angles and one side. Now we know if these two triangles are congruent, then AE is equal to DC by means AE is equal to DC by CBSE, corresponding part of congruent triangles. So here we have AE is equal to EB. AE is equal to EB. Why? Because E is the midpoint of AB, then AE is equal to EB. And we have proved AE is equal to DC. We have proved AE is equal to DC. So we have BE is equal to DC. Clear? If this side is equal to this side and this is equal to this side, then this will equal to this. So BE is equal to DC. Here we have BE is equal to DC and BE is also parallel to DC. Then we have quadrilateral BECD is a parallelogram. Clear? Quadrilateral BEDCD is a parallelogram. If it is a parallelogram, then we have EF is also parallel to BC. If it is a parallelogram, then EF will also parallel to BC, and which we have to prove as proved. Clear? So students, that is the midpoint theorem. So students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Bye bye.